Welcome to Netiquette Next. Hello viewers, welcome back. Today our topic is how to boot your USB for Windows properly without losing any data from your PC. So let's start. We have plenty of softwares which we can use to make our USB bootable. Rufus is a software is one of them. Today we are going to use Rufus to make our USB bootable. Here we have Rufus. I just have plugged in my USB, so I'm gonna click on it. It is giving me option. Here I have chosen this one as my USB. Now the second option is partition scheme and target system type. Here we have to understand one thing. A lot of people made a mistake while making their USB bootable. That is, they don't know what kind of hard disk their PC have. To figure this out, here is the proper way. I'm gonna minimize it and I'm gonna show you how to figure it out. I'm gonna click right on this and go to manage. Then it will giving me a lot of option. I will be choosing disk management. Then I have to right click on this. It has also given me a lot of options. I'm gonna click on properties. Here I'm gonna click on volume then, and it is showing me partition style, that is master boot record MBR. Now I know that my PC has hard disk that is MBR. I'm gonna choose MBR. It is already chosen defaulted, but if someone has GPT, they can choose GPT not to lose any data. All things here as you should let them as they are by default. Here I'm gonna choose picture, this one, open. It is start to be bootable. I'm gonna start it. Okay, and it is getting started. It's gonna take time, so I will be back when it's done. It is probably done. We are done here. That's for now. I will be sharing more amazing tools and feature of them with you soon, and please look forward to our new videos, and please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you and be blessed. From this point on it will be completed and we can use that bootable USB to window our PCs. Thank you.